Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be opening our FAB box for summer 2019. So we will first start on with our add-ons. So if you are a yearly subscriber, you get first dibs on the add-ons. So I believe you get like 3 days before everybody else. So we'll go on with that. So the first item that I was able So the first item that I was able to add on, it was this key glasses, and they're in the style BBN. So let's see. We actually got Roxanne, I believe, or BBN as well. We got similar glasses in the previous box, so the spring box, we got this ones as well, but in black. So I really wanted to try this ones on. I think if I try them on, the camera and the lights are gonna reflect, so don't mind that. Berry Summer, I really like them. And it comes with the little pouchy for it, so that's cute. I don't know the price. I believe they were $29. I'm pretty sure they were $29. The next thing that I was able to add was this last straw. There you go. So it comes in a setup for their metal straws. I have a lot of Starbucks cups, but I thought they were a lot bigger. And they're very thin as well. So they're very thin, as you can see. But they are metal. They come with the pipe cleaner, so that's good. So I don't remember how much this were, but I'm pretty sure they were less than 10, because I would not pay more than that. So that's that. I also added this. Self tanner. So I already actually opened it from the pouch. So you can feel the thing right here. I have not tried it, so as you can see, it's still sealed. So I probably will try it sometime soon. So it tells you the instructions right here. It's pretty cool. And I'm pretty sure if I open it, it will get messy, so let's not do that. Okay, let's see. And the last thing that I added was the What a Pair, the silicone wine glasses. This was not from the add-ons. This was actually from the box. So like I said before, if you are a yearly subscriber, you get to choose customize your box. And so if you pay like $10 extra or $15 extra, you get to add extra things. So I decided to pay the $10 extra to get this ones. So they have a funny smell to it. Let's get into our box. So here is our box. Okay. So this is what the box looks like. So it comes with a little pamphlet. It comes with a little pamphlet, and it tells you all the things that comes in your box. So we'll look at the pricing at the end in the booklet. So let's see. Oh, so the very first thing that I see is this Invisibobble. So that's pretty cool. I do have a little drawer full of those, so that's pretty cool. Go in here so we can clean up as we do. So we're not gonna try this one on because actually let's try this one because I haven't had this one. So, and that's how I did get this ones. And this ones have a scent to it, and they smell like donuts. So it's pretty nice, but it doesn't get on your hair. It doesn't get on your hair, so that's pretty cool. So that I'm pretty sure is around like $16 or so, because that's how much I paid for them. Okay, so the next thing is this Generation Clay. So that's so funny because before this one, and I should say that, disclaimer, I am recording this for the second time because the first time that I recorded with my phone and I didn't really set the phone correctly. So my face, the camera is really up in my face and it's really choppy. So that is why I'm recording it again. So the next thing that we have is this exfoliating center. Come on. Okay, probably shiny. So this exfoliating foot mask. So let's see. There you go. By Wish. Oh, it's closed. We can smell. We want to try this one. Oh, it smells pretty good. Okay. I guess we could try this one. Oh, it's very watery base. So as you can see. Yeah. Okay. So the next thing that we have is this Cooler setting spray. Okay, so this is Cooler setting spray. It's a funny smell to it. So it smells like alcohol, but I don't know. It says it contains 70% plus organic ingredients. So we'll use that during the summer. We'll see how that goes. Oh, so the next item in our box is the 111 skin. So we got 5 of the 111 skin mask. So that is what they look like. I love how I'm opening this box for the second time. And I'm excited, like I haven't seen what's in my box. But it's just, opening boxes is just like so. Okay, so the next thing on our box is okay, this necklace is tangled. But it's a necklace. Can you see? There you go. Okay. And it's by Jennifer Jewelry. It's very cool. This was a surprise item. It's a cleansing oil. So you either get 3 options, and when you customize your box, you get 3 options. And if you don't like any of the options, you can put surprise me, or you can put choose from me. So I put surprise me so that the items that were in the box already. No, the items that they gave you to choose, I didn't like them. So I put the surprise me instead of choose for me. So I got something different. So they promise you at least a $24 value. So this is worth at least $24. The next item is this um, spray all day rose spray. So I just did my makeup so we could try this one just for fun. It smells good. It's not like a settle spray, but it smells good. So it's a hydrating rose facial spray again. And the last item in the box is this Sutra Beauty. It's a blow dryer. So it comes with a diffuser. And oh, this is tiny. One to straighten your hair, like a blowout. And then the and that is pretty much it for the box. So let's look at what my total box value was. And that's not including any of my add-ons, okay? So right here, it says that your box can either be between 269 with 95 cents or 467 with 95 cents. So let's see. So total of my box came down to 442 with 95 cents. So that is a really good deal. You pay $49.99 for a box, free shipping in the US, I believe, and maybe also Canada. So I got 4 times, not even 4, more, like 8 times, close to 8 times my what I paid for. So that is amazing. That is a really good deal. So I'm very excited to try all my goodies. We'll definitely do a recap to see what is it that we really do use, because as you can see, I got 2 setting sprays. So I mean, do I really need 2 setting sprays? Probably, but which one works best? Personally, for myself, it's what's gonna matter. And then I'm very surprised to this little necklace. $50? Wow. And $160 for this? I can't. Wow. That's a really good deal. Again, my name is Ellie, and thank you for watching. If you guys can give this video a thumbs up, that'll be really good. Subscribe to my channel, please. I will really appreciate this. Yeah, if you guys would like to see how I did this makeup, I'll leave my Instagram linked in the description box so you guys can check that out on my IGTV. Again, thank you guys for watching and have a good day. Bye. Bye.